Good morning. How are you? Okay, so last session we discussed about the real numbers, and I told you the definitions. I explained according to the definitions how it is coming from the rational numbers, real numbers. Sorry, real numbers. Because of I told you about the natural numbers and the whole numbers and integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers all together to form how to form real numbers. I told you. Let us see now. Let us see now. Discuss about the properties of real numbers. Properties of real numbers, children. If you observe there, properties of real numbers. We know that first of all we will see the types of properties of real numbers. If you see, number one is closure property, number two is commutative property, number three is associative property, number four distributive property, number five identity property, and number six additive identity property, and number seven multiplicative inverse property. So these are all which are comes under the properties of real numbers. Now, if you see the properties of real numbers, let us see first properties of real numbers. If you observe, number one, closure property. Closure property is nothing but if you take let us take any two rational numbers, like that a and comma b are any two real numbers. Sorry, let us take any two real numbers a comma b, and which can be written as a plus b is also belongs to real numbers. Then such kind of numbers are known as real numbers under closure property. So next, what I said, any two real numbers a comma b belongs to real numbers, and then a plus b is also belongs to real numbers, then it is known as closure property under addition, with respect to under addition. Next, if you see next one, if you observe there, commutative property. Here also let us take any two real numbers a comma b which belongs to real numbers. Then a plus b is equals to b plus a, which is satisfy the condition on both sides LHS is equals to RHS. Then it is said to be commutative property with respect to addition or under addition, we can say. Next, if you go for another one, after that associative property, here we should take the three elements or three numbers. Let us take any three elements or three numbers, real numbers a comma b comma c, which are belongs to real numbers. Then a plus b within bracket plus c is equal to a plus within bracket b plus c. It should be, if it is satisfy the condition LH is equals to RHS, then it is said to be associative property under addition, we can say that. Okay. Next, if you observe there another one property, distributive property. Here also we should take any three elements. Let us take any three elements a comma b comma c, which are belongs to the real numbers. If you observe there, a into within bracket b plus c, a into within bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Once again I will repeat, a into within bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Then if it is satisfied LHS equals to RHS like that, then it is called distributive property under addition and multiplication. Okay, so these are the main fundamental operations. So please remember, wherever you will go, this kind of properties are introducing for you or introduction for you from 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class and also 10th class. Fundamental, which are called fundamental basic operation. Either it is rational numbers, either it is integers, or it is rational numbers, or it is whole numbers, or it is natural numbers, or it is even though it is real numbers. So that is what which are the main important of this basic properties of real numbers. Just I told you. So I told you this is the second section is going to completing for you. Let us see. We will see like for example on the board, if it is let us see on the board how it is coming there. Whether it is we will try on the board. Just I will write on the board if it is for. Just see that on the board. Yeah. Now are you able to see that? Now properties of real numbers. Sorry, just I am writing roughly. Properties of real numbers. If you see number 1, closure property. A comma B belongs to real numbers, which is implies A plus B is also belongs to real numbers. Just next, number 2, commutative property. Shortcut I am going to saying that commutative property. Here A comma B belongs to real numbers. From this we can say A plus B is equals to B plus A. Next, associative property. Associative property. In this we have to take 3 elements. So that is if A comma B comma C R belongs to real numbers, then which is we can write as A plus within bracket B plus C, which is equal to A plus B within bracket plus C. Oh, that is there. Okay. So last one, if you observe there, last one we have to see last property, distributive property, fourth one. Distributive property. It is like that. You can see that A into within bracket B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. So these are the important properties of real numbers. Okay, these are the important properties of real numbers. Right. I hope you understand the properties today class. Thank you. Thank you. These are the properties of real numbers. And next session we will see next class. Okay. Next session we will see next class. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.